window keeps. Sometimes the manufacturer will discontinue these over the years, and you'll find it hard to find a replacement. So a good alternative to these is the universal window keep. It's a 6mm flat keep, and you can purchase little packers that go on the back. These vary from 2mm, 3mm, 4mm, 5mm and 6mm in thickness. So what you do with these is, you can see there's a height variation, just by very slight, about 1 millimetre from this old keep. So it's higher at the front as in the back. So you would find an appropriate size for the front. So we'll go with a 6mm, and that looks spot on perfect. And because we can see a height difference, we'll jump to a 5mm on the back. And then we just run our fingers over the top just to see how that feels, and that looks good. So you've basically made yourself a replacement keep from this universal keep and its packers. For example, here's your old keep sitting on a frame, and here's your replacement. And that will work perfectly.